Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making fresh strawberry cream cheese spread. This quick and easy gourmet cream cheese spread is perfect for toast, bagels, and more. Let me show you guys how to make it. So all we need to make this simple gourmet cream cheese spread is just organic cream cheese and fresh strawberries. And now if you guys don't have fresh strawberries and you want to use freeze-dried strawberry powder, you can totally do that too. If you use a freeze-dried strawberry powder, the cream cheese is going to last a little bit longer. But there's something about that fresh strawberry that just makes it so tasty. So today we're making it with fresh strawberries. But either way you decide to make it, the process is going to be exactly the same. So we're just gonna need a medium mixing bowl. And then we're gonna add in 8 ounces of organic cream cheese. Today I'm using Sierra Nevada, which is one of my favorite organic cream cheeses. Once the cream cheese is in the bowl, we're just gonna set this aside. Now it's time to chop the strawberries. So you're just gonna need 4 ounces of fresh strawberries and we're gonna chop these into small pieces. As you chop the strawberries, go ahead and add them into the bowl with the cream cheese. Now, all we have to do is mix this up with a spatula. And if you guys want to use a hand mixer for whipped cream cheese, you can totally do that too. Either works. Once it's light pink and everything is mixed together, then it's ready to use. Then you can transfer this to a small dish and it's ready for brunch. You guys could use this strawberry cream cheese spread for everything from bagels to toast, scones, and more. It's even delicious as a dip. Try it with some pretzels. But my favorite way is on a toasted bagel. Make sure to store this strawberry cream cheese spread in an airtight container in the fridge. Because this is made with fresh strawberries, it's best eaten the day of or the next day. But if you guys are making it with freeze-dried strawberry powder, like I mentioned, then it'll last for up to a week. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy breakfast recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.